I've been getting a lot of questions today about Senate Bill 10. That's the bill that reforms a lot of commissions and boards in North Carolina, and it sweeps a number of the ones that are left clean of membership, allowing our new governor to appoint new boards and commissions. Do I agree with this idea? The answer is simple: absolutely. A new governor with a new vision for North Carolina should have the ability to put his own people in charge so that he can trust the decisions they make, and he has the people in with his vision to move it forward. North Carolina's been broken for a long time. When we Republicans took over the General Assembly in 2010, the Democrats had racked up almost $3 billion in debt, which we were able to fix in short order by running government more like a business. Now we have a new governor who can take it even one step further with our help, and we look forward to helping him. This is one step along the way, and we wish him great success.